Diabetes must drink juice. Even though there is no cure for diabetes, by following diabetes remedies, you can live a normal life if you have blood sugar level under control. You can go for various home diabetes remedies to control blood sugar level. Here are best natural remedies which cures diabetes without any strict diet. Fruit juice stimulates a medium effect in blood sugar and represents an excellent source of B vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, phosphorus and magnesium. People with diabetes need to moderate their fruit juice intake as larger glasses of juice can substantially raise blood sugar levels. 1. Carrot and capsicum juice. For this amazing juice, we need 3 to 5 carrots, 2 tomatoes, 1 red capsicum, 2 lemons. Wash carrots cleanly with water and cut them into pieces. Add carrot pieces into your blender by adding some water and start blending. Now cut tomatoes and capsicum into pieces. Make sure remove inner portion of capsicum. Add all this to carrot juice and blend thoroughly. Finally, cut lemons into halves and squeeze juice in it and blend once again. Now pour this amazing juice into a glass and drink daily 30 minutes before your meals. 2. Orange juice. Orange juice is packed with vitamin C, anti-inflammatory, vitamin A, vitamin B1, coenzyme necessary for energy production, folic acid essential for red blood cells, and potassium essential in muscle contraction. The USDA recommends that adults consume an average of 2 cups of fresh fruit including juice per day. Therefore, diabetics should limit the amount of orange juice to less than 1 cup per day to avoid hyperglycemic loads. 3. Apple juice. Although apple juice has a lower glycemic index than orange juice, it provides less vitamin C, A, B1 and potassium, but it is also higher in manganese. The fiber component of fruits helps control peaks in blood sugar by decreasing its absorption through the duodenum. According to a medical study, apple juice with pulp appears a connection between ingestion of soluble fiber and reduction of hyperglycemia in diabetic patients. 4. Grape juice. The grape juice has the highest amount of sugar of the 3 juices, but its glycemic index remains at a low to medium effect. Grape juice is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin and magnesium and also packed with chromium. The National Institute of Health describes chromium as a trace mineral that has shown positive effects in insulin activity. Insulin is the hormone responsible for stimulating glucose absorption in muscle cells. Finally, remember that the simplest way in managing your diabetes is to choose from a variety of products every day by limiting the amount of fruit juice you consume. Follow this remedy for at least 40 days and observe amazing changes. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Karela juice for diabetics. Bitter melon, also known as karela or bitter gourd, is a unique vegetable fruit that can be used as food or medicine. Bitter gourd contains 3 main active compounds that make it such an effective Ayurvedic medicine for diabetes. These compounds, polypeptide P, vicin and charatin, mimic the human insulin and help the cells to take up sugar molecules, increase insulin secretion, stimulate the liver and muscle glycogen synthesis, and decrease glucose absorption in the body. Another molecule, momodin, also helps regulate glucose metabolism and fatty acid storage. Here are the few studies which has proven the bitter melon controls diabetes 100%. Scientists at the Naresuan University studied the effect of bitter melon juice and metformin on diabetic patients. They divided the patients into 4 groups and administered doses of 500 mg per day, 1000 mg per day and 2000 mg per day of bitter melon. At the last group received 1000 mg per day metformin. After 4 weeks, the results were analyzed and the scientists found the patients who received 2000 mg per day of bitter melon had significantly lower blood glucose levels. In another study, researchers administered bitter gourd tablets to diabetic patients and followed up on their fasting blood glucose, 2-hour postprandial blood sugar, glycosylated hemoglobin, kidney and liver functions, and blood lipid profile. They confirmed that the bitter gourd tablet helped lower the blood glucose levels and is also showed improvement in the plasma triglyceride levels. In another study, researchers administered bitter gourd tablets to diabetic patients and followed up on their fasting blood glucose, 2 hours postprandial blood sugar, glycosylated hemoglobin, kidney and liver functions, and blood lipid profile. They confirmed that the bitter gourd tablet helped lower the blood glucose levels and also showed improvement in the plasma triglyceride levels. You can find bitter gourd tablets in Ayurvedic stores and can use as per dosage, or else you can prepare bitter gourd juice, which is more effective and fresh. Take one fresh bitter melon and cut into pieces by removing seeds. Add these pieces into a blender and add required amount of water to it. Blend thoroughly to become smooth juice. Finally, serve this medicinal diabetes-free juice into a glass. Dosage. Day 1. Consume only 1 tablespoon of this juice early in the morning with empty stomach. Gradually increase the intake from 2 tablespoons and 3 spoons until you can consume a full glass of bitter melon juice. Note your blood sugar readings one day before you start this remedy and note reading after consuming it. You will be amazed after seeing normal blood sugar levels. It keeps your diabetes at bay and can lead a normal life by using it regularly. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Beaten carrot juice recipe for diabetics. For people with diabetes, diet is one of the most important things they have to maintain. Diet for diabetic people comprises of a well-balanced and healthy diet such as food containing less fat, sugar and salt, but with more fruits, vegetable and fiber. The forbidden food groups consist of starchy, oily, greasy, fatty, and high in carbohydrates food. Among the recommended vegetables for diabetics are carrots and beetroots. Benefits of carrot juice in diabetes. Carrot juice and diabetes are two things that people need to have understanding with of how the farmer stops the latter. It has been proven that carrots greatly help in diminishing the symptoms of the disease. Apart from its being nutritious in itself, carrots provide significant health benefits in the several organs of the body. Food with slow breakdown of carbohydrates release glucose into the bloodstream, very slowly lower the level of sugar in the blood. Moreover, carrots are a good substitute in regulating the levels of sugar in the body. The relationship of carrot juice and diabetes has been seen to be a positive one. Carrots have been found by professionals to have normal glucose content that can help to normalize the sugar levels of the blood. Benefits of beet juice in diabetes. Although diabetes can lead to certain complications, the main goal is after a person contracts the disease is to reduce the discomforts and symptoms. Carrot or beet juice diabetes has been an easy and convenient way not only to fight diabetes but also other diseases such as heart diseases and cancer. Generally, carrot and beetroot help in naturally fighting germs and other bacteria that can aggravate the symptoms of diabetes. Take 1 beetroot for 2 large carrots. Wash and peel the skin, then cut into small pieces and slices. Now take a blender and add pieces with a glass of water and start blending for 2 to 3 minutes until it comes smooth and thicky juice substance. Pour this juice into a glass and consume it early in the morning before breakfast and after your main meals. Check the diabetes readings before drinking carrot and beet juice and after consuming the juice. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Delicious juice for diabetes. Diabetes, often referred by doctors as diabetes mellitus, describes a group of metabolic diseases in which the person has high blood glucose because insulin production is inadequate or because the body cells do not respond properly to insulin or both. Patients with high blood sugar will typically experience frequent urination and they will become increasingly thirsty and hungry. Low sugar strawberry juice. For this, we need soya milk, 1 cup spinach, strawberry juice, yogurt, oats, and chia seeds. Soya milk. It is high in protein content and reduces diabetes. It keeps glucose levels in control. Soya milk nourishes the body and keeps you healthy. Spinach. It lowers high blood pressure and strengthens immune system. It is also fights diseases and low in calories, high in nutrients. It is high in antioxidants, thus spinach prevents diabetes. Strawberries. Strawberries improves immunity, supports nervous system, and they are known as one of the superfood for their antioxidant and flavonoids that combat free radicals. Strawberries prevent heart diseases and they controls blood pressure, keeps you hydrated. Yogurt. It can reduce the risk of diabetes. It lowers blood pressure, keeps blood sugar levels in control. It improves insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation. Oats. Oats are filled with nutrients and minerals, which lowers cholesterol and rich in soluble fiber. They boost energy levels. Oats are rich in antioxidants, balances pH levels in the body, and oats are full of fiber. Chia seeds. Chia seeds combat diabetes. They are good for diabetes because of its ability to slow down digestion. It is rich in fiber. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids so that they regulates blood sugar levels. Making process. Soak chia seeds in water for 2 hours. Take oats and keep them in boiling water for 5 minutes. Take a juicer, put spinach, soya milk, oats, yogurt, strawberry juice, and blend well. Take a glass and pour the juice into it and add chia seeds and mix well. Now, the low sugar strawberry juice is ready to serve. This juice helps you to maintain your blood sugar level in control. Drink this juice daily in the morning before breakfast and before your meals. Continue this diet for 1 week and check your blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.